Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Me, the channel where you can practice your listening skills and learn something useful at the same time. I'm Olivia.
Hi there. We're so happy you're here today. I'm Jacob.
And today, we have a really fun topic for you. Today, we are talking about a morning routine before work or school.
Yes, this is a great topic for beginners.
Everybody has a morning routine.
That is true.
Some people wake up early.
And some people wake up very late.
That sounds like you, Jacob.
Hey, sometimes I wake up late.
Really?
Yes, I love sleeping,
Sleeping is wonderful.
especially on weekends.
I agree.
Olivia, what time do you wake up every morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I like quiet mornings.
I understand.
What about you?
I wake up at 7:30.
That is not too late.
Sometimes it is difficult for me to get out of bed,
Me too, sometimes.
especially in winter.
Oh, yes, winter mornings are cold.
Very cold.
So, Jacob, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I turn off my alarm.
Good idea.
Then I sit on my bed for a few minutes
Why?
because I'm still sleepy.
That sounds funny.
It is true.
I understand.
What about you?
I get up immediately.
Really?
Yes, I do not like staying in bed too long.
You are very disciplined.
Thank you.
After you wake up, what do you do next?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Same here.
Then I drink a glass of water.
That is healthy.
Yes, it helps me feel awake.
I usually drink coffee.
Coffee is very popular.
I love the smell of coffee in the morning.
Me too.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you.
I usually eat cereal or toast.
Simple and easy.
Yes, I do not have much time in the morning.
Many people are busy in the morning.
That is true.
Sometimes I prepare my clothes the night before.
That is smart.
It saves time.
I should do that too. What do you usually wear to work?
I usually wear a shirt and dark pants.
Very nice. What about you?
I like comfortable clothes,
Comfort is important.
especially in the morning.
Yes, nobody wants uncomfortable shoes early in the morning.
That is true.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music?
Soft and relaxing music.
Nice.
What about you?
I like upbeat music.
Music can change your mood.
Definitely.
Sometimes I listen to podcasts too.
Like this podcast.
Exactly like this podcast.
That sounds fun.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, too much.
Me too, sometimes.
I check messages and emails.
I try not to check my phone immediately.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I get ready for work.
Do you walk to work?
No, I usually drive.
How long is the drive?
About 20 minutes.
That is not too bad.
No, it's okay.
I take the bus to work.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes.
Why only sometimes?
Because the bus is crowded in the morning.
Oh, really?
Yes, many people go to work at the same time.
That sounds stressful.
A little bit.
Do you read on the bus?
Sometimes I read.
Nice.
Sometimes I just look out the window.
That can be relaxing.
Yes, especially when the weather is nice.
I love sunny mornings.
Me too.
Rainy mornings make me sleepy.
Same here.
Listeners, what about you?
What time do you wake up every morning?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to know.
Now, let's talk a little about English.
Great idea.
Earlier, I said I wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is a very useful sentence.
Yes,
Yes, many people use this sentence every day.
you can say I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Or, I wake up at 8 o'clock.
Very simple.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
I brush my teeth every morning.
That is another useful sentence.
Yes.
Brush is a regular verb.
The past form is brushed.
Example, yesterday I brushed my teeth at 7.
Very good.
Another useful verb is wake.
Wake is irregular.
The past form is woke.
Example, yesterday I woke up late.
Excellent example.
Thank you.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Okay.
Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Very good.
Now repeat, brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Excellent.
One more sentence.
I drink coffee every morning.
Great job, everyone.
Keep practicing every day.
Practice is very important.
Yes, small practice every day is powerful.
I agree.
Olivia, do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
It makes my room look clean.
I am not very good at that.
Really?
Sometimes I forget.
That happens.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do yoga.
Nice.
It helps me relax.
I usually stretch for a few minutes.
Stretching is good for your body.
Yes,
Morning exercise gives people energy.
that is true.
But sometimes I feel too sleepy to exercise.
Same here.
What is your favorite breakfast drink?
Coffee, definitely.
Hot coffee or iced coffee?
Hot coffee in winter
Good choice.
and iced coffee in summer.
That sounds refreshing.
What about you?
I like tea.
What kind of tea?
Green tea.
Healthy and relaxing.
Yes.
Do you cook breakfast every morning?
Not every morning.
Me neither.
Sometimes I just eat fruit.
Bananas are easy in the morning.
Very easy.
Apples too.
I also like yogurt.
Oh, me too.
What is your favorite morning smell?
Fresh coffee.
Nice answer.
What about you?
Fresh bread.
Wow, that smells amazing.
Especially warm bread.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too.
Do you sing in the morning?
Sometimes in the shower.
Really?
Yes, but not very well.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I only sing when nobody listens.
That is funny.
Thank you.
Morning routines can be very different.
Yes, every person is different.
Some people love mornings.
Some people hate mornings.
Are you a morning person?
Not really.
Me neither, sometimes.
But mornings are important.
Very important.
A good morning can make the whole day better.
I agree completely. Let's teach another useful sentence.
Okay,
I am getting ready for work.
very useful.
Getting ready means preparing.
Example, I am getting ready for school.
Excellent.
Another example, she is getting ready for her job.
Great job.
Let's explain one more word.
Okay.
Routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
For example, my morning routine is simple.
Very nice.
Let's practice pronunciation again.
Repeat after me. Routine.
Routine.
Very good, everyone.
Keep listening and repeating.
That helps your pronunciation.
Olivia, what is the hardest part of your morning?
Waking up when I feel tired.
I understand.
What about you?
Choosing clothes.
Really?
Yes, I can never decide.
That sounds difficult.
It is a small problem, but still a problem.
I understand.
What is the best part of your morning?
Drinking tea quietly.
That sounds peaceful.
It is very peaceful.
My favorite part is breakfast.
Breakfast is important.
Yes,
Some people skip breakfast.
I cannot skip breakfast.
Me neither.
I become very hungry.
Same here.
Do you check the weather in the morning?
Yes, every day.
Why?
Because I want to know what to wear.
Good idea.
What about you?
I check the weather too,
Weather changes plans sometimes.
especially rain.
Yes, rain changes everything.
Do you leave home early?
Usually, yes.
I try to leave early too.
Traffic can be terrible.
Very true.
If I leave early, I feel calm.
If I leave late, I feel stressed.
Same here. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends.
Thank you so much for supporting us.
Olivia, do you think routines are important?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Routines help people stay organized.
That is true.
They also save time.
Good point.
What do you think?
I think routines make life easier.
I agree.
But sometimes routines can feel boring.
That is also true.
So people should add small, fun things.
Like music, or a tasty breakfast,
Exactly.
or a short walk outside.
Fresh air feels wonderful in the morning.
Yes, it does.
Do you talk to people in the morning?
Not much.
You like quiet mornings.
Very much.
I understand.
What about you?
I like talking in the morning.
Really?
Yes, it gives me energy.
Interesting.
Everybody is different.
That makes conversations fun.
Definitely.
Let's review some vocabulary.
Great idea.
Wake up.
To stop sleeping.
Brush your teeth.
To clean your teeth.
Get dressed.
To put on clothes.
Breakfast.
The first meal of the day.
Excellent.
Let's give example sentences.
Okay.
Wake up. I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Get dressed. I get dressed quickly.
Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Wonderful.
English becomes easier with practice.
Yes, keep listening every day.
Listeners, what is your morning routine like?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Do you wake up early or late?
Please tell us in the comments.
Before we finish, let's do a quick recap.
Today we talked about morning routines.
We talked about waking up early.
We talked about breakfast and coffee.
We also learned useful English sentences.
And we practiced pronunciation together.
Great job, everyone.
We are proud of you for practicing English today.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.